Good morning, students. Next class, we are going to discuss about mercury vapor lamp. So, previously we have discussed sodium vapor lamp. Now here, mercury. The construction point is similar to that of sodium vapor lamp. Sodium vapor lamp. Okay. See the picture. That picture is consisting of the parameters: main electrode, auxiliary electrode, RC limiting resistance, supply, choke. These are the parameters of the figure. Okay. Now coming to here, this the theory. This lamp is similar to construction is that of an sodium vapor lamp. Okay. It uses hot glass inherent and oriented glass outlay. This design purpose you have to use that inherent on ordinary glasses you have to use. The space between that bulb is partially or completely evaluated to present the loss of convection the inner tube. Loss of convection the inner tube. Okay. The outer tube absorbs UV rays. The outer tube is absorbs ultraviolet rays. Inner tube contains the amount of mercury. So this tube is contain this device is consist in two tubes. One tube is absorbing UV rays. One tube is containing mercury. Certain how much amount of mercury is needed to this lamp. The total amount of mercury is filled with that lamp. Okay. Next. In addition to main electrodes of sorting, electrode is concerned to through the high resistance is provided. So in this case, no separate heat is required for the cathode, which is heated by the coast bombardment of that heavy mercury ions. Bombardment of heavy mercury ions. Next, when the supply is switched on full, means the voltage is applied between the auxiliary electrodes. So once observe that diagram, the supply is applied to between the two electrodes. As the lamps warm up, mercury vaporized ring vapor, the pressure and illumination choke becomes as that heavier. The lamp requires 4 or 5 minutes to attain bulb to brightness. So once you switch on the bulb, the lamp is going to brightness. It will take that 4 to 5 minutes of the time. Then after it will be glow. Next, if a supply is inherent, the lamp is the most cool down and vapor pressure at the start is that the temperature in the tube is 600 degrees centigrade. It gives that color and cause the color distortion. The efficiency of this lamp is that 30 to 40 lumens per watt. The lamps are manufactured in 250 and 400 watts. For 252 or AC supply within purpose of a 2 to 3 atmosphere. Okay. So another type the lamp which is manufactured is 300 and 500 watts. The rating for use an AC supply as well as an DC supply means very important bit. 200 to 250 is uses AC. Exceeding of this 250, 300 to 500 watts it can be used for AC as well as an DC. This is similar to MA type. Isolate that on choke is not used for the blast. The filament contributes that a considerable position of a red rays. The consideration will be taken as that tube produce a useful colors. The tube produce a useful colors. Okay. Next, the filament act as a resistance. Sometimes the filament will act as a resistance. The overall power factor of the lamp is about 0.95 and capacitor is not required. If it is that filament is act as a resistance, then the power factor will be considered as a 0.95. At that time there is no use of an capacitor. Okay, the lower voltage lamps such as 80 to 150 125 watts and vapor pressure of 5 to 10 atmosphere, these are known as ME type. This type is similar to MA except the resistance series with that of an. The starting of electrode is large and outer builds is of an quartz of with the withstand the high temperature, so that these lamps can be used with the any positions. Okay, this is the about mercury vapor lamp. Okay, thank you.